Looking for the secret sauce to make your AirPods 4 sound amazing? Let's dive in. First up, use personalized spatial audio. Open your iPhone's front camera and Face ID to scan your ears and head. Then, turn on spatial audio in Control Center while playing a song or video. Easy, right? Next, let's use the custom audio setup. Head to Settings, then Accessibility, then Audio Visual, and finally, Headphone Accommodations. Turn on Headphone Accommodations and select Custom Audio Setup. Choose from balance tone, vocal range, or brightness to match your taste. Don't forget active noise cancellation. Press and hold the force sensor on either AirPod to toggle between ANC, transparency mode, and off. ANC helps reduce environmental noise for a clearer sound experience. Finally, reposition the driver. Ensure your AirPods 4 driver is pointing directly into your ear canal. This improves clarity and reduces audio reflections. And there you have it. 4 easy steps to make your AirPods 4 sound better than ever.